Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, product specialist and love promise coordinator for Santa Cruz Subaru. If you're new to the channel, I like to make videos about Subarus and impart my wisdom and my experience over the last 18 years of working for Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is going to be about the main reason why your battery is going to die in your Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that people appreciate the videos that I produce and let me keep doing what I do. All right, let's get into it. All right, so the most common reason why a battery is going to die on a Subaru is it has something to do with the tailgate, and it's only going to apply to people without the power lift gates. So what people do is they go to shut it and they don't quite shut it hard enough. This looks shut. It's very easy to ignore this, to not even know what's happened. So what's going to happen is, if you're driving your car, it's very obvious. You see the light that lets you know that your tailgate has been left open. But if you're shutting this guy and then you're walking away, this is an unbelievably easy thing to miss. I mean, you can barely tell that it's not close. But easy way to tell is when I go to lock the car, watch the tail lights here, and it beeps at me 5 times. That's a warning that one of the 5 doors, which the back is a door, is not shut properly. You can kind of see here, when I pull on it, how much play there is in it. So what you need to do is make sure you give it a good shove. I just push it down just a little bit harder. And then whenever you lock your car, you only get 1 beep, and that's how you know everything's shut properly and your battery's not going to die. All right, thanks for watching.